All right, guys, I want to show you this because it's just crazy how many people have asked me this. Apparently, it's not well known, but on the 16 to 18 KTMs, you have 2 bolts on each side of the seat. If you have a 19 or newer KTM, the way you get the seat off is this one long bolt right here. That's it, guys. It goes all the way through the seat to the other side. Just slide it back, take it off. Access to the air filter right here. Grab here and pull. Just 2 grommets. All right, guys, so that gives you access to your air filter, quick and easy, no tools required. And you can pull this cover on and off without removing the seat as well. So yeah, thanks for watching.